this lesson, we will be looking at digital graphics. Have a look at this picture. What do you think the purpose of this picture is? So what is the point of this picture? How do you think it achieves it, and why? Pause this video to think about this. The big picture. We are going to be investigating the purpose of digital graphics. Your homework will be to complete the tasks for lesson 1. Pause this video now to record your homework. The objectives for today's lesson are to know why digital graphics are used, how digital graphics are used, and identify the purpose of digital graphics. Some of the key words you will need to be familiar with are digital graphics, entertain, inform, advertise, and educate. Now, digital graphics are graphics that are created using a computer. They can be used to advertise. There is huge demand for creative graphics in advertisements. These are found in newspapers, magazines, billboards, posters, and digital advertisements on websites and social media. We can use digital graphics to promote products or services. This is similar to advertisements, but can be broader in scope. For example, we can use digital graphics to promote an NHS campaign. We can also use digital graphics to entertain or inform. Now, entertain would include magazine features, graphics, novels, comics, and any still graphics used in games. Inform would include posters, leaflets, and instructions such as those created for events, new products, or how to use something. Finally, we can use digital graphics to educate. This is similar to inform, but with a clear and measurable objective. For example, to learn about different video camera shots or composition in photography. Here's an example of how digital graphics are used. Here are 2 book covers. Now, the graphics can be used in a variety of ways. So, how are we using these graphics? Well, they can be printed in paper, in hardback books, or they can be available in electronic formats, including Kindles. Why are we using graphics? It could be used to describe the story. It could be used to attract a particular reader. And the purpose of the graphics are it wants to make the reader want to read the book and maybe promote the author and the publisher of the book. Book covers. Book covers can use digital graphics in print book or in electronic form such as a Kindle. They can be put in shop windows to entice people into the shop. This may attract a particular audience. For example, the Jurassic Park cover would attract people who like dinosaurs. The book cover also promotes the author and the publisher and describes the type of story that the reader might find. For example, dark covers might be used for a horror book. The purpose of the cover is to make the reader want to read this book, to promote the author and the publishing company. You are now going to complete some tasks in relation to this. To do this, you will load up from Google Classroom, under the Classwork tab, Lesson 1, Purpose of Digital Graphics. You will load up the worksheet, Digital Graphics Task. Now your first task is to look and create a spider diagram that shows the way digital graphics are used. Once you've done this, you will move on to task 2. So you will be required to read this extract below. Once you've done this, have a look at the images that you've been presented with. Then what I'd like you to do is write down how the images are used to inform, advertise, promote or educate what happened at the Grenfell Tower. Pause this video to do this now. Right, we're now going to move on to task 3. I would like you to have a look at the 2 posters that have been presented to you. Choose one of the film posters above and write a sentence for each of the elements below. For example, the poster entertains because it looks fun and the actors are smiling. So pick one poster and complete this table below. Right, once you've done this, I'd like you to look at the poster that you've chosen and think about who the target audience is. This means, who are you aiming the poster at? What is the purpose of the graphics? So what is the point of having those graphics? And what do you think the purpose of the poster is? What genre category do you think the poster falls into? Pause this video now to complete this activity. Okay, your next task is to have a look at this poster here. I would like you to annotate this poster. That means label this poster with examples of how it is used to attract the audience. So you could talk about educate, entertain, promote, inform, or advertise. Once you've completed the task, you can hand in your worksheet.